This is a national emergency requested by the White House. All EAS participants should follow this handbook for a national emergency. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will speak over the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
We interrupt your normal programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the United States Space Agency, the National Guard, and Homeland Security. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. An unprecedented event is currently ongoing with the US and the world. Suddenly the moon turned into a green color, and the sky became a dark green color. And here are the following effects that caused people to look at the moon. And they caused themselves to get into a really bad side effects and symptoms. Symptoms include peeing or pooping out blood, coughing out blood, violent headaches, violent coughs, violent vomiting, violent seizures, violent rashes and necrosis, head explosions, arm explosions, leg explosions, violent or aggressive behavior. After those effects happen, 5 minutes later they will turn into a mixture between zombie vampires and skinwalkers. These creatures are considered to be very dangerous. And if you try finding one of them yourselves, you'll risk turning into one of them. The National Guard in the military has been displaced to take care of the situation. And the United States government and the NFFA has put in the entire state into martial law lockdown. If you leave without any reason, you will be arrested or shot and killed by the entire army. Stay tuned for more information on this deadly situation.